In this video, I'll go over how to change your formation in eFootball. So there are 4 different things that you can do. First, buy or change your manager. Go to My Team and then Managers. Each manager comes with a default formation and tactic style like possession game, quick counter, etc. To unlock new formations, you need to assign different managers using GP or coins. For example, a manager might use 4-3-3, another might use 3-2-4-1, and once hired, you can switch to that manager to use their formation. So next what you can do is change formation within the manager. Some managers let you tweak the setup a bit. Go to Game Plan and then change formation, only available if the manager has more than one registered tactic. You can swap between their preset formations. You can also drag players around within that shape to adjust positioning, but the base formation, like 4 defenders, 3 midfielders, 3 forwards, stays the same. Now what you can also do is search for formations. In the manager list you can filter by formation. This makes it easier to find, for example, a 4-2-3-1 or 3-5-2 coach. Managers refresh daily or weekly, so check regularly for the formation you want. And fourth, using base team formations. If you set your base team to a real club such as Barcelona or Manchester United, sometimes the game suggests that their actual style and shape for auto setups. But for true formation changes, it's mostly tied to the manager you own. So that's how you can change your formation in eFootball. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.